Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of speed of videos on the application of Netflix. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you can search about Netflix and you will enter here. Then you can click on first step and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention. And you are watching.